Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Play Well Bricks' first studio tutorial. My name's Jason, I'm a freelance Lego designer and I use Studio 99% of the time for the work that I do. If you don't know what Studio is or you're curious about it, this is the video for you. I'm going to go through some of the basic features of Studio and show you why it's such a powerful tool for designers like myself. First, Studio is a 3D design software for Lego, similar to CAD. It is provided free by Bricklink. If you follow the link in the description below, it will take you to this page where you can download the software. After you've downloaded and installed the software and ran Studio for the first time, you'll get something like this. So like most UIs, you can create new, open an existing project, or more importantly, import projects from LDD or LCAD. So some designers do their designing outside of Studio and then bring it in through this tool. There's also the neat feature where you can call up the latest creations that you've been working on. So we're going to go ahead and create new. You'll be brought to this screen where you can see your 360-degree field of view. This is really handy for getting all around the model, especially when you're working underneath. Below that are all the bricks that we have available. Studio includes the grand majority of Lego bricks, although there are specific pieces that they are missing, especially with minifigs. Off to the side we have our color palette, which allows us to change colors of bricks very easily. And below that we have our step list, which will come into play when we go to create instructions. On the top bar we have lots of useful tools here. Under the cursor menu there's different ways you can select your bricks. You can hinge them, clone them, hide them, and connect them easily to each other. This is a fantastic feature, especially when you're connecting large pieces of the model together. The collision detection is really important for 3D modeling because unlike building by hand, you don't always know when the bricks are going to be colliding and banging into each other and keeping each other from connecting properly. So that tool is really important. We also have a snap and we can change the level of the grid, which means how far the bricks move. One of the greatest tools in Studio is its render engine. There are some designers that design outside of Studio and bring it in just to use that render engine. It is really powerful, and we'll go into that in depth in later videos. We have the stability test, which lets you check to see if your design is a little lopsided one way or another, or if your bricks aren't connecting as strong as you would like. And last, on the top bar, we have the instruction maker, which is really important for designers like myself who sell their instructions on Rebrickable, or if I need instructions for my clients in order for them to build the designs I create. The final tool is the part designer. This is relatively new, and this allows you to create parts that Lego does not make yet. If you are into 3D modeling and you have a 3D printer, this tool is going to be very handy for you. So that is a quick rundown of the features of Studio. The next video I'm going to be doing is all about how to manipulate bricks because, well, that is what we use Studio for. So I hope you join me for that, and I hope you found this video informative. Thanks so much. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.